Okay, so in order to facilitate other students, I decided to record this section and we are going to do from the starting again. Compléter avec aller, venir ou faire à la forme qui convient. This means complete with verb aller means to go, venir means to come, ou faire or to do à la forme qui convient at the convenient form. So, qu'est-ce que tu fais? In this exercise, you have to read first the sentence. You need to understand the questions, the context, that if it is a question or the statement XYZ, then you need to understand the context of the sentence and you keep the correct conjugated verb either from aller इस group में से or from venir में से या from faire सबक. So can you read first sentence and by giving the correct conjugated verb, please?
Qu'est-ce que c'est to dash dimanche? Over here it will come fais.
Faire, well done. So qu'est-ce que tu fais dimanche? So this is faire. Faire में से आपने choose किया faire. Well done, very nice. And remember that qu'est-ce que means what is or what or which के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. And it has shortened form as well. So खाली que भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है which और what दोनों के लिए. For example, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि Alina, what you do, then you can say que fais-tu, Alina? I can say like this. Que fais-tu, Alina? What you are doing, Alina, like this. So, qu'est-ce que tu fais dimanche? And what is the meaning of this sentence?
What are you doing?
On Sunday. Dimanche means Sunday. Well done. Now read the second sentence. Je dash au bois du boulon avec Margot. This means you see the sentence, understand the verb, understand the verb subject. Can you give me a second, please? Okay, so here you see the sentence, je, starting from I, and focus on the rest of the sentence after dash, it's au bois du boulon. This is the place. So O is a preposition. You can see au cinema, à la piscine. It's coming from here. So you now you know that we are talking about some place. So automatically you will be going from in the grid of Ale. So what you going to keep here, Alina? Please, can you give me the answer?
Fatma.
Fatma, oui.
Je vais
Au bois,
en bois des
boulon, boulon avec Margot.
commande.
Yeah, very correct answer. Je vais. Basically, this is vais. Vais. We do not pronounce S here. Now, then it and remember that whenever AI comes together, then this will pronounce like A, like English. So je vais, and S is silent here. So we can say je vais au bois du Boulogne avec Margot. This means I'm going to the wood of the forest of the Boulogne with Margot. Now, next sentence, nous allons. So
Nous
here,
allons
yeah,
dash do vélo. Over here said would come faire.
fair, well done. But you need to understand also that which subject is the which subject pronoun is it? This is nous. So we can say in grammar it's the second person plural, and allons is already conjugated, and which is coming from this verb aller में से आ रहा है. So लिहाजा we don't have to conjugate another verb. So nous allons faire will become completely as it is. I couldn't write actually, it's a PDF form, but I can spell it for you. F-A-I-R-E, Faire. I can highlight. Ça va, vous pouvez regarder. So, nous allons faire du vélo. इसका meaning क्या होगा, Fatma? Nous allons faire du vélo.
So this will mean that Nuzala means that there are many. It's for plural.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we are going to cycling. We are going to do cycling. ठीक है? वेलो फ्रेंच में कहते हैं साइकिल को. Do वेलो, faire du vélo expression which means doing cycling, to do mountain bike basically. So they are going to the forest area. That's why they are using mountain bike, which is called vélo in French, and verb faire means to do. So this means nous allons faire du vélo. Now, full stop, and on va commencer notre sentence ici. Tu dash avec nous. So, what do you think? What should come here, Fatma? Either from Venir, aller, or faire. Which verb? You always focus on subject pronoun, les pronoms sujets, which is called in French. So, are you with me? Hello, are you with me? Verb. Yeah, so we were on this sentence. Tu viens avec nous. I already gave the answer actually. Tu viens. So I took this one, viens.
yeah.
Okay. And is there any things to highlight in color? Okay, let's come sir, leave it like this. So tu viens avec nous. And this is a question. Are you coming with us? Achha, now focus on the next sentences. Then he is not willing to go with him actually, starting from no. So your context should be a bit clear that he's gonna refuse things. So no, he says no. Je travaille. Travaille is a verb which means to work, and it's conjugated with for first person singular. I mean je. So this means I work. Regular verb है इसका travailler. Can you read with me, Fatma? Travailler.
Yes, sir.
Travailler.
Travailler.
Yeah, but here it's conjugated form of travailler. So we just removed R here. It's a regular verb ending on ER, so it's so easy to use in the sentence. So he says, no, je travaille, no, I work. Then full stop, then mais le soir, but in the evening. Mais le soir. Mais a positional verb, which means no, sorry, but. Le soir, sense in the evening. Now, je dash au cinema. So, what do you think? What should come here? And you always think two things before see this type of exercise: subject pronoun and after dash. So, subject pronoun is first person singular, and after dash there is a preposition for the places. So, what do you think? What do you think? What should come here?
Jeva.
Well done. Just improve it pronunciation. Je vais. So this word will come here. Je vais. Okay, je vais au cinéma. What it would be mean? How can you translate this small sentence? Je vais au cinéma.
Cinema. I go to cinema.
Yeah, I go to the cinema. I am going to the cinema. And I just want to remind you that in French, there is no continuous tense. That is the same thing in writing. If I say I go to the cinema or I am going to the cinema. D'accord, très bien. So on a fini cette sentence. Now, et vous and you. And he is asking, et vous and you. Qu'est-ce que vous, then dash, then question mark. So please think and give me the correct answer either from verb aller, venir, or faire. Any conjugated verb, but should be according to the subject vous. So let's try. Yeah, please.
Yes, I'm fine. Vous allez?
Et qu'est-ce que non. Vous allez non because he's asking and you. Qu'est-ce que vous Faites.
Faire.
Normally, yeah. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? So this verb should come. Qu'est-ce
Yes.
que tu
Sir, but
fais?
like this again, it's asking who's.
Yeah, here you can write vous ne. This one.
Okay.
This one. This one. So, et vous, qu'est-ce que vous faites? So you go with verb when he is asking, what are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? फिर इससे सवाल भी कर रहा है. वो ने, are you coming? ठीक है, so we can see. I know it's a bit tricky or bit difficult exercise for the beginners because we have three different verbs and we need to put the correct conjugated verb for the subjects, and we need to understand first the context properly, then we can do this. So it's okay, but you progressing no doubt. Vous ne, then this will means you come, or are you coming iska ho sakta hai. Then he is also refusing. It is clear from the starting, no. Then nous dash au théâtre. What do you think? What should come here?
No, no.
Preposition
Oh,
is there.
yes, sir.
See what
Sir,
this.
yeah.
You take your time, no problem. Read ale pura.
Can you go
Venir pura.
down?
Yeah. Please, can you do this bit because I'm running out of the time.
Nous avons.
Sorry, can you repeat that again?
Nous allons. Nous
Well done,
allons.
very nice. Nous allons au théâtre. Nous allons au théâtre means we are going to the theater. So, which makes you to keep this verb? Can you explain a little bit for others, please?
What it gives me because after the dash it's saying a and before there are two prepositions used because it's
Right.
saying news dash
Well done. So there is the main recognition is O. It's a preposition for the places. So you just directly come in the verb aller, and then afterward you show the subject pronoun which is nous. Then you choose this one. D'accord. Très bien. Vous avez fait très bien. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.